Hi everyone, it's Veronica, and I am here with another installment of Kit and Kaboodle Krafting. This is a series that I started last month where I am taking kits that I have, the kits and everything that come with it, to create projects. I have had some of these kits for years and years and years, and others I have had since last year, and the one that I'm using in this video I just purchased this year. This is a kit from Stamp On It. We generally see them at all of the crafting shows such as Scrapbook Expo, the Heirloom Stamp Show, and what have you. I purchased this kit from the Heirloom Stamp Show. They were doing a make and take, and I stood there and watched, decided I would do the make and take, and after that I was just hooked. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous cards can be made using these kits. And you don't have to buy kits, you can buy individual pieces. Now, I don't have any more of the acetate sheets to show you without showing it to you on the cards that I have created. But as you can see here, the kit comes with the acetate overlays, the cards. It has the folded cards along with the envelopes, the glitter film sheets, the peel off sticker sheets, the instruction sheet. All you have to do is add adhesive. Doesn't get any better. But I do have some of the individual pieces that I bought so I could show you. First of all, I will show you a photo of the kit components that I'm using in this video. Okay, so here are some other individual pieces that I had. I thought that butterfly was absolutely gorgeous. And here was another one. And this is the glitter film. Okay. So if you ever go to a show, check it out if you hadn't. It also had, as I said, the envelopes. And I love this type of flap. And the sticker sheets. It came with 3. So these are the sticker sheets. And I did purchase a few others, but these were the ones that came in the kit. So you have corners, you have pieces for borders, you have flowers, hearts, you have sentiments. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you. And I just wanted to show you before beginning just how thin this border is. So it is quite interesting to work with, but it is very thin. That's it right there. So you can pretty much do any kind of designing that you'd like. And I'm not throwing away pieces because you just never know what you'll use it on. Okay, now the one thing I want to caution you about when you're doing this is the fact that you could get bubbles in it, and they do tell you that at the make and take. I am going to see if you can see the bubbles that I got in this one. So needless to say, I wasn't able to use it, and it's not showing up here really. Oh, there they are. There they are right here, here, and here. So when you're peeling these off, peeling that glitter film, you have to have this flipped over and then put the film down. You don't peel the entire thing off. You have to do it a little bit at a time. And then what I noticed that I needed to do was just do it this way. Instead of just putting it on and going straight down, I had to have a little side-to-side action. And that way I didn't get bubbles like I did here. So this is nothing that I can salvage. So we'll just move on. But I wanted to share with you the cards that I created. And there should be 4 of each one of these, but Faith, you'll only see 3, but this is Hope. These are the little corners that I put on here. This is not finished. I decided not to finish all of them because the sentiments on here are good, but I prefer some other sentiments as well. So, and all I did was change the orientation on these two. But that's Hope. And this is nice weight cardstock. Very nice. So I'll be finishing the insides, but at least the card, the outside of the card is pretty much finished. Okay, this one is Joy. And there are four, should be four of each one except Faith. But I will be showing you the others at the end because those were the ones that I completed on the outside. And this is Faith. That's the only two I have. Okay. So those are those cards. And this is what I did to Hope. Now I actually took the border and put it on the outside edge of the black mat. That gave it a different look. And these stickers are very fragile. So when you pull them up, you need to be ready to put them down. I mean, not so fast, but just be careful how you pull them off because you know you can stretch things out of shape. So, and I just added one of the hearts there. And then Joy, I added with love and one of the flowers and the corners. The corners are really cute. And here is Faith. So I thought that was cute. And this is where I added that border strip, which really adds another level of dimension to the card. So I thought it turned out cute. All right, that is my project share for my Kit and Kaboodle Krafting. I will be posting on the first and third Wednesday of each month. So if you would like to jump in, feel free to do so. Just, let's see, I never thought about you labeling a video, but just do Kit and Kaboodle Krafting for Veronica. That way I'll know how to look for your videos, okay? Thank you again. And I do have a playlist. So if you missed the introduction and the first video, then you'll be able to catch those. Happy crafting, everyone.